you clicked on the craft box, and this week we are making a poinsettia, which is a flower if you did not know. And so in your bag this week you'll get instructions, of course, green leaves, 2 red petals so we can make our flowers, and then our yellow center dot to complete our poinsettia. Let's get into it. Okay, now with our poinsettia, we are going to glue our petals and our leaves together to help create a flower, okay? So you're going to take 1 out of the 2 red petals that we have and glue it onto our green leaves. Now it's really important that when you go to place them, that you don't place the red right on top of the green. See how you can barely see the green? You want to put it in between, okay? So I'm going to glue, of course, with my disappearing purple. So you know it is my favorite. And I'm just going to put part of it into the center of my first petal. See? Just like that. That way it glues down and we can move our leaves upward, or I'm sorry, petals. Make it look so lovely. And then we are gonna do the same thing, so it'll look like this. We're gonna take our second red petals and gonna do the same thing. Don't put it right over the red or right over the green. Put it somewhere in the middle, see? So you'll do the same thing where you're gonna put some glue in the center of your petals. And it's gonna look so cute. Oh my goodness. Look how beautiful our flower is so far. I'm gonna hang this up in my office. And then what we're missing is our little yellow dot that goes in the center, which is where bees can pollinate flowers with. So you'll take your yellow dot, put some glue on the back of it, oops, and put it right in the center of your center of the red top petal that you have there. And ta-da! And then what we're gonna do, just bend a little bit of your petals upward into itself. That way it has some dimension. So that way if you hang it up or if you give it to somebody, they can wear it proudly. Oh my goodness. How cute is our flower? Doesn't it look cool? It's so 3D, right? I hope you enjoyed our craft for this week. And don't forget to click around and see what else you can find.